Hijacking is one of the more insidious means by which malicious actors could strike at computer numerical control or CNC machines. In this video, we explore how attackers could infiltrate and seize control of CNC machines in Industry 4.0. We've identified 3 ways that cybercriminals could hijack a CNC machine's operations. In one example, an attacker could tamper with the geometry of a CNC machine's tool. In this simulated attack, the length wear parameter of this spindle has been altered from a value of 0 to 0.25. This might seem like a small change, but malicious modifications like this could introduce defects in a piece that the CNC machine is working on, rendering that piece invalid by a manufacturer's quality control standards. During our research, we found that all 4 controller vendors that we tested were at risk of this specific kind of hijacking attack. In this video series, we look into the different cyber attacks that CNC machines could fall victim to and take deep dives into how these attacks unfold. To learn more, visit research.trendmicro.com/CNC machine security.